Most traders never backtest. They read a blog post, watch a YouTube video, and start trading real money. Then they wonder why they lose. I've run 61 backtests on this channel. Millions of trades. And the strategies that most traders use are the ones that lose the most money. In this video, I'm going to teach you exactly how to backtest option strategies so you never trade blind again. Why backtest? Because your brain lies to you. You remember the wins, you forget the losses, you think 70% win rate means profit. It doesn't. I proved that in my first video. 70% win rate iron condors lost $6,381. Without backtesting, you would have traded that strategy for years thinking it works. Backtesting removes emotion, removes bias, and shows you exactly what a strategy does across hundreds or thousands of trades. What you need. First, historical options data. This is the most important part and the hardest to get. You need daily options prices going back at least 5 years, strike prices, bid-ask spreads, delta, expiration dates. I use a database with over 22 million rows of options data across SPY, QQQ, AAPL, NVDA, and TSLA, plus another 100 million rows from a broader data set covering 2,000 plus symbols. The more data, the more reliable your results. The metrics that matter. Win rate is what most people look at. Ignore it. Here's what actually matters. Profit factor. This is total gross wins divided by total gross losses. Above 1.0 means profitable. Below 1.0 means losing. A strategy with 60% win rate and profit factor 1.5 is better than 80% win rate with profit factor 0.9. Max drawdown tells you the worst peak-to-trough decline. Can you survive it mentally and financially? Average win versus average loss tells you the risk-reward of each trade. How to structure a backtest. Step 1. Define your entry rules. What delta? What DTE? What strategy type? Be specific. Step 2. Define your exit rules. Profit target percentage, stop-loss percentage, time-based exit. These must be mechanical, no discretion. Step 3. Run it across multiple years, minimum 5 years. You need to see how it performs in bull markets, bear markets, and crashes. Step 4. Test across multiple symbols. A strategy that only works on SPY might be overfitting. Test it on QQQ, AAPL, NVDA, and TSLA2. 5 mistakes that will ruin your backtest. Mistake 1, overfitting. You optimize parameters until they work perfectly on historical data, then they fail on new data. Test on one period, validate on another. Mistake 2, ignoring slippage. Real trading has bid-ask spreads. If you backtest at mid-prices, your results will be too optimistic. Mistake 3, trusting win rate. I've said it before, I'll say it again. Win rate alone is meaningless. Mistake 4, not testing enough configurations. Test at least 10 variations. If only 1 out of 10 works, it might be luck. If 8 out of 10 work, you've found a real edge. Mistake 5, survivorship bias. Only testing on stocks that exist today ignores the ones that went bankrupt. A real example. In video 21, I searched for the optimal iron condor setup. I tested 20 configurations, different deltas, 10, 16, 20, different DTEs, 1, 7, 14, 30, 45, different profit targets, 25, 50, 75%, and hold to expiration. Different stop losses, none, 100%, 200%. The winner, 10 delta, 30 DTE, 50% profit target, no stop loss, plus $18,186. It wasn't the setup most gurus teach, it was the setup the data supports. Tools I use. Python for coding backtests, MySQL for storing options data, Pandas for data manipulation, PIL and Pillow for generating charts, 11 Labs for voiceovers, CapCut for editing. The total cost is minimal. The historical data is the expensive part. But it pays for itself after one trade where you avoid a strategy that would have lost money. That's the complete backtesting guide: data, metrics, framework, and tools. If you don't want to build your own backtester, subscribe to this channel. I do it for you. Every video is a backtest, every claim is verified, and every finding is shared publicly for free. Stop trading blind. Start trading with data. Data doesn't lie. My backtesting framework. This is exactly what I do for every video. Step 1. Pick a strategy and define 10 to 20 configurations. Vary delta, DTE, profit target, and stop loss. Step 2. Run all configs on SPY first. SPY has the most liquid options and the longest data history. Step 3. Rank by profit factor, not win rate. Step 4. Take the top 3 configs and test on QQQ, AAPL, NVDA, TSLA. Step 5. If a config works across 3 or more symbols, it's likely a real edge. If it only works on one symbol, it's probably overfitting.